Okay.
All right. There hasn't been very many videos I've seen on the internet about this. I've only seen one. And my snout, the seal's leaking. So I need to replace that. And while I'm gonna have to take this off, I'm gonna put in a pressure relief valve and a CI for the level. So we're gonna take this apart. I just hung this bag around here to try to catch this oil when it comes out. Just put some old dirty rags I had in there to help sop it up, and that's basically it. Let's do it. I'm going to loosen these up too while it's on there, so it'll be easier when I take it off after I get it off. Apparently there's a bearing in here and a seal in front of it, and a little E-clip to let the bearing out, and it's just a little press fit, like do it on an arbor press, not with a hydraulic press. It's kind of like just you feel it when it goes in. That's what I was told, and I'm sure that's what it is. I know I'm a weirdo. I always go cross pattern, just like when you snug up a tire or anything else. It can't be that bad of a deal to do it, you know. That one's a little tighter. And if you go across it, then it's out here. It's like you got a big lever that wants to twist the whole thing more. All right. Okay, those are all loose. So, these are for where the those are the standoffs there for where this RCD tensioner goes. Just loosen these all up right now. And the top one, I think. I think I got them down right. Nope. Probably that one. There, I think you got them all now. After these. Gonna have to remember if any of these are different lengths. So far they're not. Oops. Oh, that's one less thing to remember. They're all the same.
Mm-hmm.
Pull these off. Oop, wrong way. I should. I'll just spin. Really kind of wanted those studs to come out with it. Do a little tappy tap. Now the good smell of gear oil. There we go. She's draining there a little bit. The bag worked. I shouldn't have said that. Now it's going to fall and make a mess. I need to, I didn't get something to lay this down in. Let's see. Smell good? Yeah, I can't smell it here. Love to smell gear oil in the afternoon. How big is that? It'll be pretty close. Down and put some clean paper on top for now. I think that'll be good for it to drain into. I think these hold about like 14 ounces or something of gear oil. I guess that would have a lot to do with a lot of different things in here. That's just what I read. There she's coming. There we go. All right. Right here is the inside. I don't know. Let's see if I can get behind the camera and show you a little better. Yeah. Let's see. You can see that inside E-clip there, or C-clip. Snap ring, I guess is what you'd call it, not E-clip. Been racing RC for a while. Got that E-clip in my name, in my head, but you take that off, then that bearing will come out, and then the seal's in front of that. This was just, it was leaking. The bearing feels good. And there's, when you get your kit, you need to know if you have 1 1/8" or 1 1.25" shaft in them. And I did not know, so I'm taking this part here to let the good guys at BDS Superchargers know what I need. They take care of me with anything I need. Yep. Those are the men. Doesn't look like that's going to be too tough. And this is on my 34 Ford. This is a cast supercharger. They're all billet now. A billet one would have straight cut gears, and the old ones, the cast ones, have a helical like this here. Anyway, you're not going to mess nothing up with your blower timing or anything in the front. If you take these off, then you're playing with blower timing. I'm not going to do any of that. Just changing gaskets, and like I said, I'm going to put a CI and a pressure relief valve in this. Anyway, I'll try to get more of that up when I get around to doing that. I still haven't got the parts and always want to make sure before you drill and tap. You know what I mean? All right. Thanks, Crypto Horsepower. See you guys later.